Well, hiking the Iditarod Trail today. This is one of the cabins. Bunks, looks like 4 people could sleep on it. Some chairs. This is Paradise Haven Cabins, what they call this one. Got your fire pit and wood. All the essentials for a cozy stay. You got the river right down there. That's not my destination today. I'm gonna go farther down the trail. And then we got a little fire pit out here. And then back here, the way I came in is their bathroom. Right there, see it through the trees. Yep, that's their bathroom. And there's their trailer, we just take all the waste out. So, I don't think you guys want to see that, so I'll catch back up to you when I get to the next cabin or yurt or lake or whatever I happen to come across. Well, out here hiking, and as you can see, this trail is not really maintained. You can barely tell there's a trail. Also, I want to show you this. I keep stepping. So if I step any wider than these two, I fall in because it's all soft. So, you see why. And I keep falling in up to about my groin area. I think I got another 3/4 of a mile till I get to Dew Mountain Lake. Hopefully the trail stays remotely accessible. Catch you guys there. Well, I walked like, I don't know, 30 yards and came across this. I don't know what the perch is, but we'll be getting up there eventually. So this looks like this opens to a clearing. I don't know if it's the lake or what it is. So here we go find out. All that ice. Oh. And see, just like that. Oh, shoot. Well, we're at Echo Bend apparently. Hopefully there's a clear trail for the rest of the way up to the lake. I'm not sure this trail is supposed to cross the river. I'm gonna have to get back with you guys. Check my GPS and see what's going on. Alright, well, this says, I don't know if you guys can see that very well. It's not looking like it. This says that the lake is half-mile from my location. And it looks like the trail is right down there by the water. So, I guess that's where I'm going to go. Man, look at those mountains. They're so beautiful. Yeah. Here's hoping. Occasionally, mistakes happen, right? I decided I was going to try and circumvent the creekside trail because it looked a little sketchy. Well, instead, I decided to take another route. I'll show you. And now I'm in waist deep snow. So instead of going down that way and following the river across, I thought I'd come this way. Those are my tracks. And that's how deep they are, which is right up to my waist. So I had to smash down a little area so I could stand, but now I guess I'm gonna head for the creek and walk next creek, try to find this trailhead, or pick up the trail wherever I lost it. At least it's a warm day. It's like 27 degrees. So I'll it's just right there. Surely it's not that bad, right? We shall see. Well, according to my handy dandy GPS here, it's only 75 foot through there to the trail. Hopefully that trail is cleared to where I can, walk on it. You can see here on the Garmin, right here's where I walked down and was showing you guys at the river. Came back up and went this way because this looks kind of sketchy. But well, guess I'm gonna have to go back to it if I'm gonna try. If not, I don't think I'm gonna make it to Dew Lake, which is right there, which is only a half a mile from me. Oh man, half a mile, that way. But I gotta get back to the trail. Not trails. Like I said, 75 feet that way. Sure is quiet out here. Alright. Time to get going. Well, after some debating and attempting to go that 75 feet, I decided not to. At least the way back, I knew the terrain and stuff, and then I get up here and spend longer than I care to admit trying to get out of that giant mess. Oh boy, it's been a fun day though. So I'm gonna attempt to get back to that trail, see if I can find a spot by the river to go down, and if not, I guess I'll turn around and get to the lake another day. So, those are all my foot tracks from on the way in, and try to stay in them. Oh. Alright, well, if I make it to the lake, I'll let you know. Just look at that mountain. Look how beautiful it is. Back down here by the river. I don't know if you guys can hear the river running underneath that ice. But I think that that's the edge of the bank. I think that's the trail-ish. So I'm going to try to go that way a little bit and see if I find the other side of this trail. First I'm going to take a drink and hydrate a little bit. Well, I'm going to admit defeat. This I'm about to show you is not hard packed. It's a lot of lumber to go through. Now I don't want to risk breaking something out here by myself. So I'm going to turn around, walk back that way, and save the lake for another day. Maybe I'll come back with some snowshoes and walk on top of the snow. So, have a good one. See you guys on the other side. So I'm hiking along trail, and as you know, I gave up. So I'm hiking back, and something I didn't notice on the way out was this random stack of lumber and rope. Really not sure what it's for. There's no buildings around here. But I thought it was kind of odd to see some 12-foot 2x6s just sitting there. And a big rock. Have a good day.